Alright, so Enhancement 4. To begin with, we're on our home page. Let's go ahead and find it by adding into our URL products. Alright, here we go. This is the product management page, shown here code-wise, shown here. Local CSS, valid. Local HTML. Also valid. Woohoo, go me. I'm going to the new category page, right here. Just to check real quick, let's go into the CSS again, and the HTML. Alright, once again valid. Adding a category. Goes ahead and populates, and if it's empty, it'll let me know that I'm being stupid. Then new product. Once again, valid on CSS. Once again, valid on HTML. If we go ahead and leave it blank, it'll get grumpy at me. So let's go ahead and give it a name. I have these set up as file choices, but they're disabled, and they should go ahead and default. If we look at our index real quick, no, wrong index. If we look at our index, it should, right now it's just set to this automatic value right here. And let's go ahead and make this a miscellaneous from the vendor. Made of awesomeness. If we add the product, it'll let us know that it was created successfully. Let's go ahead and go to the database to make sure that's actually true. Look at that, awesome axe. Made of awesomeness. Alright, and that's all for today.